good morning everyone. How are you? Well, my name is Laura. I'm 23 and I'm from Catalonia. And now I'm going to explain my experience last June in Portugal, in Baião, a very good city in the middle of the mountains. And now I'm going to show you some pictures and videos. And well, here we go. It all started in Terminal 1 of Barcelona Airport on May 30, 2022. As you can see, the village is surrounded by beautiful nature. About the professional experience at Napaderia Avenida, I had the opportunity to practice knowledge that I studied at the school, and it was perfect to improve my skills, learn new methods, get responsibility, and live uncomfortable situations. Very interesting to learn traditional recipes and dishes in concordance with the culture. So, in my personal experience, I encountered many situations of self-improvement where I had to put myself to test. For example, I want to highlight the piano performance that I realized to raise money for cancer, or the day that we went to the cinema. For me, this experience was amazing because the movie it was in original version with subtitles in Portuguese, and well, I found that is a very good way to learn both languages. I visited 3 times Oporto, the capital of Portuguese, and every time was lovely different. This inspired me to create art, and I also create an Instagram account to follow the travel and experience called Mobilitat. If you want to visit, it will be a pleasure for me. And okay, I meet a lot of people with different point of views, and this is a very good opportunity to grow and open your mind. But it isn't all good times. I recognize that when I arrived, the moment to say goodbye was hard and difficult because you live a lot of intense experience in a month. But in conclusion, for me, it was a very positive and good experience. So I recommend to everyone have this because getting out of the comfort zone is already a personal growth.